Secure high-return NFT real estate in Vulcan Forged. Invest in blockchain gaming's top economy. In the ever-evolving landscape of blockchain and metaverse technology, Vulcan Forged stands out as a leading NFT game studio and marketplace. This platform offers a dynamic ecosystem where players can own, trade, and invest in unique in-game assets. Vulcan Forged's metaverse also presents opportunities to invest in virtual real estate, powered by NFTs. These digital investments promise high returns, positioning Vulcan Forged at the heart of blockchain gaming's top economy with over 200,000 active users. As a pioneering force in NFT gaming, Vulcan Forged integrates blockchain seamlessly into gaming experiences. This allows for the creation, ownership, and trading of special digital assets, fostering a thriving community of developers and players. The Vulcan Forged (PYR) platform operates on a decentralized blockchain, ensuring secure transactions through a proof-of-stake consensus. It combines NFTs and DeFi, enabling unique game item ownership and virtual real estate transactions. Security is paramount for Vulcan Forged (PYR) users. Utilizing hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor is recommended to safeguard tokens. In addition, trusted exchanges offer secure storage and transaction services to protect your digital assets. Vulcan Forged has secured $8 million in funding from Skybridge Capital, fueling the expansion of their Metascapes engine and driving growth in the North American market. This investment will enhance their standing in blockchain gaming and metaverse technology. The Metascapes engine revolutionizes the metaverse by allowing users to create and own virtual lands as NFTs. This user-friendly tool opens new avenues for creativity and economic activity within the digital realm. At the core of Vulcan Forged is the PYR token, an ERC20 cryptocurrency that facilitates transactions, purchases, and rewards within the ecosystem. With staking opportunities, users can engage deeply with the platform's offerings. Vulcan Forged represents a significant opportunity in blockchain gaming and virtual real estate. With innovative technology and a robust community, it offers vast potential for investors and players looking to explore the metaverse's future. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.